Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in and access Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an excellent tool for teachers and students to manage assignments, share resources, and keep schoolwork organized. There are a few different ways to access your virtual classroom, but before you try any of them, make sure you are logged in into your Google account first. Once you're logged in, choose one of these options. First, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google App Launcher, which looks like 9 little squares. Next, click on the Google Classroom icon from the Apps menu. Second, if you prefer to type it out directly, open a web browser tab and type in the web address classroom.google.com to reach the exact same homepage. Finally, if you are working from a phone or a tablet instead of a PC, go to the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android and install the official Google Classroom app. The mobile application allows you to look at your dashboard, post updates, and check assignments just as easily as you would on a laptop. And that's it. Thanks for watching.